So yeah, hi guys, welcome to my next video. So today I'm gonna be hunting a tractor and then upgrading it to a max speeded race tractor. So I have my phone here and there's a notification, and on Google Maps it's saying there's one here right now at this bridge. So let's see. Oh, there it is, guys. It looks perfectly fine. It looks perfect. Well, let's get this to the repair shop, bro. It's so dirty, bro. Luckily there's no spiders on it. Oh. What? Bro. Okay, let's go. Bro, you gotta be kidding me. Is this slow? Bro, you gotta be kidding me, bro. This is gonna take weeks and weeks to get to the repair shop. So guys, I'm gonna see you when I'm at the repair shop. Finally, after like 20 minutes of driving, I'm here. Like, look how close it is. It's the devil. If I went on a normal car, I would be here in like 5 minutes, dude. But let's get on. We are here, so we have to get on. Oh, look at how shaky it is. Ow, what? I think I broke something, guys. I'm gonna be back when I get this thing on. There she goes. What the? Okay, but anyway, bro, nowadays people have the turbo, bro. Oh my god, bro. What? Bruh, this server's Arabic. But anyways, I'm gonna get this thing fixed and to normal speed. Then I'm gonna put a lot of upgrades and then make it the fastest tractor alive. So guys, I got the speed higher. Now it's 30 miles per hour. Right here. This is not so fast, but we're gonna... Why are you on my car? Guys, I told him and drop him in his grave. But anyways, let's make it faster with some stuff. Okay, let's turn it off. Whee! So guys, I'm gonna see when I put the first performance on. So yeah, the first performance I'm gonna show in sometime. And my friend, one of my friends here, but the first performance is LED lights. Look, guys, I figured out a new way. I'm gonna show this to you guys. I'm gonna show this how to do it later on. Okay, I'm gonna show how to do it more hiddenly, more nice. But guys, this is sick, right? Let me ask him. Where's the LED sick? LED sick? Let's see what he says, bro. He's lagging. Let's see what his opinion. It's sick. Yeah, no, right? Like, look at it. But guys, now I'm gonna turn this thing into a monster in 3, 2, 1, and boom! Look at my thing, bro. Isn't this insane? I got a spoiler, I got a supercharger, got a light, everything, bro. How is the tractor, bro? What is this shirt? Oh, biohazard. Jeez, bro, it's actually so sick. I know, right? Hop on the back. Hop on. Ooh, yeah. Okay, guys, I'm about to go super fast, like my other video. Wait, did they? Oh, I was getting speed right there. This is getting hard. Hard what? Okay, guys, I'm gonna try to go max. Wait, did they put the speed down? I think they put the speed down, bro. You gotta be serious, Brookhaven. What do I say, bro? Bro, this guy is capping right now, bro. Shit. Okay, guys. That was not. What the? What do you mean, skibbity, bro? Okay. Bro got the cringe dimension out here, bro. Bro got the cringe dimension. For real. Oh my god, they put the speed down. Oh, that's how. Bro, that was insane, bro. What's that? Is that a GTR in the distance? Ah! Oh, that's crap. What the Sigma, bro? Hey, yo, man. If you're watching this, chill out, bro. Hey, yo. Oh, that's not a GTR. That's a normal blue car. Blue big book. Okay, ignore that. What the bro? Hopefully I don't flip over. Got you on like a trick shot here. You sit. Bro, move! Who put a goddamn semi truck on the road? Huh? Snap Motorsport Prairie. What? That's a person right there. But guys, I'm gonna do some very funny things in this video. Hope you don't crash. Hope I crash. Okay, I'm just kidding. I'm not violent. Oh my. I guess I'm gonna try to do the speed glitch and see if I go fast. Like, bro, why did they put the speed down, bro? Put the speed down. I got the ladder in the middle of the road. Okay. What the? What the? I guess this thing as a professional climber, that won't work. At least we are kind of fast. Guys, I'm gonna kill this man. I'm gonna do the worst driving Jesus burger. Cringe! I just exploded, bro. Guys, here's my true driving skills right here. Yeah, this is my true driving, guys. Look. It's too wholesome for you guys, right? My driving skills are too good. Is that right? Right, my man? It's too good. Look at my driving skills. Like, look. Guys, now for real, my real driving skills. I'm still kind of, okay guys, I'm kind of trash with the tractor. I'm very good at the cars. But I thought he left. Okay. What? Oh, big girl, please come on. What the fuck? What the flip, bro? What the flip? Okay. Well. Brookhaven! Why did it do this? Die! But guys, that was the end of the video. For one more, smash the like button, subscribe, and I'm gonna see you guys later.